Alright, Fat Man here. I'm not in the woods, down in Washington. Well, up in Washington, I guess. At this little lake, wildlife refuge. It's pretty actually cool. On this particular pullout, this thing's huge, by the way. This pullout, got a little dock over there, little trail with outhouse, and those things, there's like 30 of them around. It's fucking awesome. A little trail, go down there, sit on the dock. You got a way out, walk on the dock thing going on. That's the water, by the way. I'll take a walk out here real quick. See if I get any fish come up to the light. That'd be sort of cool, I think, for a minute or two. So look at this. Somebody left their clothes. That's a little weird. Hopefully they'll dry out and I'll come get them tomorrow, huh? So there's a dock right here. Or we can launch your boats. And they got a little walk out in the water dock. Walk right out here. Dock your boat. Hang out. So that's weird. I don't have any reflection off anything. That water shit. This thing moves. Hello. Somebody out there? Woohoo! There's a fish. That's it. I got a little crappie. Any other fish out here? Come on. Little fish. It's pretty cool. Little fish, little fish. No more little fish. Not that I could see anyway. Alright, so see the beam? It's all the way over to the other side. Way down there, that's a little island. Little sticks and shit. Way down there too. Pretty cool. Here's a little frog or whatever chirping. That's not a frog, that's probably a cricket. Is that burn pile? It is. Someone built a fire there once. Pretty cool area. Alright. Well, I think that's short enough for this one. Fat Man, dream big, live fat. Peace.